Alright, let's look at the homework 2.6, problem number 6. Alright, this is the application of squeeze theorem. Alright, so we know that cosine is always between -1 and +1, right? Then what we're interested in is e to the -8x cosine of x. So I'm going to multiply all three guys by e to the -8x, right? Then you will get negative e to the -8x is less than or equal to e to the -8x cosine of x is less than or equal to e to the -8x. Right? Then we're going to actually just take the limit of the smallest guy, so limit of negative e to the -8x as x approaches infinity. Right? If you don't like the way it's written, you can also rewrite it as, right, we still have a negative sign here, but the negative power means a reciprocal, so it's a 1 over e to the +8x, right? But you can see that as x gets larger and larger, and this quantity right here is going to get larger and larger. E to the big number is a still big number. So -1 divided by a huge number is going to approach 0. And you can say the same thing about the limit of e to the -8x as x approaches infinity is, if you want, you can rewrite it just like the one before, 1 over 8, e to the +8x. And we can see that this guy goes to big, so this is going to be 0. Right? So from here, by squeeze theorem, we can conclude that the limit of the middle guy, which is e to the -8x cosine of x, as x approaches infinity, is also equal to 0. Right? So this is the answer. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, so this was 0. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.